2015 Kia Soul. This is what noise I'm experiencing with my engine. Gotta roll the window down. It sounds like it's coming from either here on the left side. It sounds like it might be coming from the back side. I don't know. And then when I'm driving it, you hear it do that. It'll rev up. And as you're driving, you'll hear that speed up a little bit. And then when you slow down, you'll hear it. But it'd be more of a and yes, I do know that the battery is January of 2019. It is a 6-month-year-old kind of battery. I took it over to AutoZone. They said it was a flooded battery type and that they suggest that I get it replaced, which I'm going to be doing here in October. Here's what it sounds like when I rev it up. Oh, that's the brake. That's at 1500 RPM. And that's just under 1000 RPM. The mileage, 103,572. If any of you out there have any idea of what would cause that, please let me know. I've already gotten all the recalls done on it, including a brand new catalytic converter. I don't want to be driving down the road and having the thing go and then I'm stranded. So if you guys know what possible cause that could be, I would greatly appreciate it. But yeah, 2015 Kia Soul, 103,500-ish miles. Got it from O'Daniel's in my hometown. And they said that the ticking noise it's natural, it's common. Oh, you can go to any kind of 2024, 2025 vehicle and turn it on and you'll hear that and nope. I know for a fact that that's not the case.